First of all, what exactly is going to happen to the job role of HR itself or jobs in general? Because that is the first question that comes into the picture, right? What is going to happen to our jobs? Well, in the short term, like in the very short term, and I'm talking about short term and long term, the definitions have changed because the way AI is evolving, that is just too fast, right? So in the short term, at least for the next 2 years, I don't see jobs going away because of artificial intelligence. People are going to become more productive. What jobs will go away? People who don't know or don't learn how to use AI. Those jobs are definitely going away. In the long term, what is going to happen is 10% teams will probably reduce to 2% teams, right? Because much of the grunt work, much of the admin sort of work, manual, menial work will be done by AI. Who will be done by AI, meaning some person will be using AI to get it done, right? So you want to be in those top 2 people, right? By the way, these 2 people will be paid much more also because of the fact that teams are going to reduce from size of 10 to size of 2. This will happen in the long term. So I'm talking about 2+ years from now, right? So it's very, very important that you upskill yourself in this new technology. And the good part about this is, unlike coding, there is nothing technical about this. It's all simple, logical, common sense stuff which you can learn. So the first thing that you want to keep in mind, and if there is one thing that I want you to take away from the workshop today is, this is not rocket science. This is something like coding is something that you have been thinking about as, rocket science and all of that, which is also not the case, but I can understand it's slightly technical. This, on the other hand, is not technical at all. So the first thing that you need is this switching that mindset, right? Switching the mindset is, first of all, very, very important. You have to try out new tools. You have to work with them. Only then will you get the grasp of it. Yes, there will be people like me, every once in a while teaching you. There is free stuff on YouTube. There is free stuff elsewhere as well. But unless and until you start trying things yourself, rather than relying on some, random person like me to teach you, things are going to be very, very difficult. So start trying out things. That is one thing I want you to take away from today's workshop is, this is not rocket science. You can easily learn this. And the best way to learn this is, obviously there is free stuff on the internet. Obviously there are people like me trying to help you upskill, but start trying out things for yourself. There is a free version of every single tool. Sign up using your personal email, use it on your personal laptop, but please, please, please start trying it out for yourself. Cool? Okay, that is the one takeaway that I have for you from this masterclass.